I'm Lauren, and I'm going to be teaching Kelsey how to make a paper airplane. So take both of your hands and put one on the left side and the right side of the paper, and fold the paper in half long ways. Exactly like that. And press along the crease. Bring it out. Put the paper down on the board. Now take the top left corner, and fold it on the bottom right to meet the crease. Just one piece though. Take the top sheet, the top part of it, and fold it down. Keep going down. Keep going down. Meet the crease of the paper. Now fold where that bends. Okay. Now flip the entire thing over and repeat. So you're going to take the top right and bring it down to meet the crease of the paper. And then you're going to press that fold. Now you're going to turn the paper counterclockwise, so to your left, counterclockwise, like that. Right. Now you're going to take the top sheet and you're going to fold it down to meet that center crease again. Not diagonal, you're going to do it long ways, exactly like you did the original. So left hand there, right hand there, and then move it down. All right, now you're going to fold the top part. And you're going to flip the entire thing over again. And you're going to take your top right hand and put that along that diagonal, and then the left on the corner, and fold down again to meet the crease. And you're going to pick it up and put your fingers underneath of that crease inside of the flaps and press the paper up a little bit, press the wings up. Just pull them up with your hand. Kind of stretch them out. Like pull it up and smooth it out over the whole entire crease. The whole thing, yeah. And press down, and then flip the paper airplane over. Same thing. Now you can pick it up in the bottom fold. And you have a paper airplane, and you can throw it.